Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a review and I'm going to review the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and this is how it looks like. It comes in a plastic container like this, and this is how you need to open this. You just need to push this up and here it is, and it has a very tight lid as well. As you can see, this is not a very huge container, but it contains 6.7 grams of product, which is pretty good, and this is a perfect size container to even carry with you like if you're traveling as well. And if I'm not wrong, this comes in two shades, like there is one rose gold and this is the molten gold, which is launched in India, and I'm going to show you how it looks like from inside. And as you can see, it has a very nice pattern going on, and this is a very pigmented highlighter as well. I'm just going to swatch it and I'm going to show you back of my hand. So you can see this is how it looks. Even I have this on my face right now, and this is a really like boom kind of highlighter, and this is like pretty much amazing thing. I am literally getting obsessed with this, and even this is a perfect highlighter for each and every skin tone out there, for fair, medium and dark skin colors. Like this is a very beautiful golden, warm golden highlighter. This is not a very goldeny gold kind of highlighter, which makes it universal for all these skin colors. And this retails for $5.50 only, which is really good for a highlighter, and this is available in all the websites and the market as well. Just because it's a new launch, it's really getting out of stock, but it is a very highly available highlighter out there. Now let's talk about the texture. It is a very creamy, buttery soft highlighter. This is a powder highlighter, but it doesn't make your skin feel chalky, or it is not a very powdery highlighter. It is very soft and it definitely melts into your skin. And even this is very pigmented, like it is very creamy and soft buttery. That's why it is very pigmented. It has very tiny glitters, but when you just apply this, it melts in your skin and it looks very natural, glowy, like not very natural, like, but it's still natural and easy to apply as well. So now let's talk about how to use this. It's already written at the back, so I'm going to read it out for you. Apply with a brush or fingertips. Swipe into targeted areas such as cheekbones, brow bones and down the bridge of the nose. Blend for a seamless metallic glow. So yeah, this is an extremely gorgeous highlighter. Like I wore this for entire 12 hours and it did not budge. So I highly recommend all you girls to go and get it, and this retails for only $5.50, which is like a very good thing for a highlighter. Like you don't get highlighter in this range. So yeah, go and get your hands on this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias like Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. I'm going to put everything on the description box. Do check that out, and that's it for today. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep glowing. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.